Robinhood, is it going to zero? That's the question I posed, and it's pretty close. Hey, what's up, power traders? I'm stock market coach and option trader Jason Brown, and back in October 18th, 2021, I did a video called Is Robinhood Going to Zero? And no, I was not hating on the stock, but if you haven't watched that video, you can check it out by clicking the link in the description or clicking the pop-up right here. Now, in that video, just to give you a recap, I talked about some of the struggles that Robinhood might have as a company. We walked through their business model and just really the fact that there was not much really unique about the company and how long could they last really giving away free stocks. Now, let's take a look at some of the comments that you left about that video, and then we'll take a look at where the stock is today and why it's possible that it could go to zero. So when we recorded the Robinhood possibly going to zero video, we got a lot of hate in the comments. Chen Chell says,
no way it's going down to zero. This one is just about to start for a bull run. Remember my comment.
Well, Chen Chell, we remembered your comment, so you're in luck. In fact, the stock didn't go on a bull run, it went on a bear run. Andre A says,
buying every chance below 45. This will go to 50 plus easily over the next few months.
Well, Andre, it's been a few months. And so if you've been buying every chance you get below 45, well, guess what? You're in luck because you can now buy it for $15. In fact, if you've been buying every chance you got below 45, you're down over 50% in your account. Joseph Silo says,
40.65 is nowhere near zero. Nice try. Laughing emoji, puke emoji.
Well, Joseph, how about $15? Is that closer to zero? Our good friend Mayho left a comment saying,
I follow Kathy Woods, all in at $30.
Well, Mayho, congratulations. You and Kathy Woods, if you were all in at $30, you're now both down over 50% as the stock is trading around $15. Our good man Rojo says,
to zero? Really? I hate clickbait.
Well, Rojo's to zero. Yes, really. And I hate comments that don't give a video a chance that somebody with an opposing view could actually possibly be right. And all I did was share my insight on this stock and why I thought it was possibly going down to zero. So I hope in the future you don't just judge a video and just assume it's clickbait because you don't agree with it, but actually take time and listen and consider the perspective that, maybe this guy could be right. Well, the stock since then is now down to 15 when it was around 42 bucks. I'm sure you would agree with me that it's closer to zero. And now you can understand that this video wasn't clickbait. Maybe you'll even subscribe. That's right. My man, can you come back, hit the subscribe button? Give me my flowers while I'm still alive. Now, let's look at what one of the analysts from Seeking Alpha had to say about this. So one of the analysts from Seeking Alpha says, Robinhood is still overvalued at a 50% price drop. And this was just January 2nd, which was about 5 days ago at the time of this recording. Robinhood's monthly active users declined in the third quarter. Now, wait a minute. D Wolf in the comments said, wait until Q3. I don't know what that meant. I don't know if he meant it's going to go to the moon in Q3, but we're here in Q3 and Robinhood's monthly active users declined in the third quarters. Customers' monetization weakened materially, and Robinhood's commercial prospects in the retail brokerage market are still far from being cheap. It kind of sums up what I just said, is that their monthly active users are starting to die off. And then their customer monetization, meaning how many customers are actually upgrading to the paid services, the paid data, and the paid streaming quotes. But most of them, why would they do that when you can get some of that stuff for free from some of the other brokers? So there's a flawed business model here. And I question how long and how far can it go? Now, let's take a look at the actual stock chart and see where the stock fell from in October 18th when I first talked about it to where it's at now. Okay, so here we have the chart of Robinhood up. Now, when we recorded that video back in October, it was right around, you can see the stock has come all the way down to about the 41.88 level. Now, since then, you can see, I'm going to draw a line here. The stock has literally just gone on a bear run, just falling ever since we recorded that video. Could Robinhood possibly be going to zero? The stock just continued to tank, falling from 41, 42 down to current day where it's about $15.25. The stock has lost over 50% of its value. Now, going to zero would mean the company's going out of business. And while I hope no company goes out of business, I would argue that they do have to figure out what they're going to do from a revenue generating standpoint to turn things around, because the services that they offer, they sell their customers on free. And the other services that they want customers to pay for, other people offer those services without charging for them. So where is there left for Robinhood to monetize? I don't really know how Robinhood technically is going to survive. Maybe they'll become the new crypto trading platform. I'm not sure, but if their model is based on all the trades are free and giving away stocks to entice customers to join, then that means they have nothing to charge for. They pay for their customers, and the things that they do charge for, most people don't want to pay for because they can get it free for somewhere else. That doesn't sound like a winning business model to me. Anyway, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Let me know in the comments. We break down stocks like this inside the university at Power Trades University. So if you're looking for insight into the stock market, if you're looking for a community to join, if you're looking for trades, coaching, community, it's all there. Check out powertradesuniversity.com. You can also check out some of our tools in the comment section or below in the description. Again, leave a comment. Let me know. Am I off base or am I on target here? Is Robinhood headed towards zero, or can they turn it around? I want to hear from you.